Hey guys, this is Anthony from Aiken's Outdoor Adventures. We recently did a video on our Sawyer squeeze, but we didn't really talk about the proper way to clean it, store it, and get it ready for the trail. So stay with us, alright? So maintenance of your Sawyer squeeze is very simple. When you're on the trail, after you've used it a couple times, take your syringe, fill it with water. You want the least amount of debris as possible when you're backflowing. Fill the syringe up, insert it into this little insert here on the top. Force that water through this filter. When you force it through this filter, it's going to throw out any large debris which could be slowing down the flow of your Sawyer. Also, when you get back to the house, the first thing you should do is pull this out. Get some distilled water and do the same thing. Do it multiple times. They're only 30 bucks, but we've had this one for multiple years, like 3 years, and it's gone on hundreds of trips. So one of the ways that we like to handle the situation is we don't bring this on the trail. We buy the smart water bottles, and they have like the sports cap. We discovered on the trail that sports cap will fit over this little tiny little insert. And you put that water bottle there and do the same thing. Squeeze it really hard and get that water pushed through. Now we only use that on the trail. As soon as we get home, we get the syringe out and we do it the way that the manufacturer designed it to work. To make sure these things, the filter lasts you a long time, try to keep it moist in there. Every couple weeks, 2-3 weeks, just back flush it. Make sure it doesn't freeze. If you back flush it, store it and it freezes, you need to go buy a new one. You've hurt the integrity of the internal parts of this filter and it might not filter the water correctly. If it doesn't start flowing, a cup and a quarter of vinegar and some water, force it in here, let it sit for a little bit. That'll break up the calcium deposits and the mineral deposits inside, and that should free it up. Then backwash it multiple times to make sure you get that vinegar water solution out. Hopefully these tips will help you keep your Sawyer squeeze healthy, to keep you healthy on the trail. If you like this video, subscribe, hit the bell icon. We got some new merchandise, some new shirts and hats for men and women, so check them out. Thanks guys.